Okay, we want to make a boat that runs by carbon dioxide. So we started the water in the bathtub, and now we've made the boat, which has a hole in the bottom attached to a straw with which the carbon dioxide will expel, moving the boat forward. So, you take a funnel, stick it in here, making sure not to get it into the straw. And you pour in a 1/4 cup of vinegar. Now we have already made sure that our clay does not leak. Because if your clay leaks, well, there's really no point. Okay. And you also put a tablespoon of baking soda into a tissue so that when you stick it into here, it will take a couple of seconds before it will start. Now, it looks like our bathtub is almost done. So, let us wait a couple of minutes while this works.
Okay.
Okay, Sam, stick it in.
Let's go.
Wait. And there you go.